Imagine turning a simple crop like white onions into a thriving source of income. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we explore innovative and profitable opportunities in modern agriculture. In this video, we'll uncover how white onion farming can become a lucrative venture for both farmers and aspiring agripreneurs. Discover practical strategies and business ideas designed to maximize your profits and transform your agricultural journey. Let's dive into the world of white onion agribusiness and unlock its full earning potential. One profitable agribusiness idea involving white onions is the cultivation and sale of fresh white onions for local markets and restaurants. This venture offers significant benefits, including a steady demand due to the onion's essential role in cooking and food preparation. Startup requirements are relatively accessible, needing quality seeds or seedlings, suitable farmland, basic irrigation, and fertilizers. For small-scale farmers, even modest plots can yield substantial returns, while commercial growers can scale up for larger profits. Income is generated through direct sales to consumers, wholesalers, and food businesses, making it a versatile and sustainable option for farmers at any level. The second white onion business opportunity involves processing onions into value-added products, such as onion powder or dried onion flakes. To get started, beginners should focus on sourcing high-quality onions, investing in basic drying and grinding equipment, and learning proper storage techniques to maintain product freshness. Adding value in this way not only extends shelf life, but also opens up new markets, including restaurants and packaged food companies. It's important to research local regulations and packaging standards to ensure compliance. Building relationships with buyers and consistently delivering quality products can help new entrepreneurs establish a strong reputation in the agribusiness sector. The third profitable idea centers on embracing innovation in agriculture through smart farming techniques. By integrating advanced technologies such as precision irrigation, soil sensors, and data-driven crop management, farmers can significantly boost yields while reducing costs. Targeting niche markets, such as organic produce or specialty crops, further enhances profitability by meeting specific consumer demands. Strategic planning and continuous adaptation to market trends are essential for maximizing returns. This approach not only increases efficiency, but also positions growers at the forefront of a rapidly evolving industry. The fourth white onion agribusiness idea focuses on producing dehydrated white onion flakes and powders. By processing fresh onions into shelf-stable products, you can add significant value and tap into markets such as food manufacturing and hospitality. Scaling operations involves investing in efficient drying equipment, establishing reliable supply chains for raw onions, and building partnerships for distribution. New agripreneurs often face challenges like inconsistent raw material quality and limited access to processing technology. Addressing these issues requires strong relationships with local farmers, ongoing quality control, and seeking technical support or training to optimize production processes. The fifth and final profitable white onion business idea is to explore value-added products such as onion powder, pickled onions, or ready-to-cook meal kits. By diversifying your offerings, you can reach new markets and reduce reliance on a single revenue stream. Embracing sustainable farming and processing methods not only benefits the environment, but also appeals to health-conscious consumers. Diversification and sustainability together can help ensure your business remains resilient and successful in the long term. Have you ever tried implementing smart agriculture solutions in your own work or community? What challenges or successes have you experienced along the way? We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. If you found this content helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Join the Smart Agri Hub community today and be part of the future of sustainable farming.